And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the police have made a breakthrough in the disappearance of a missing teacher.
A suspect is now in custody, but the search has ended in tragedy.
Ramarda Lyons picks up the story.
Danielle Anglin is believed to have been killed the same day she went missing, Monday, May 13. Skeletal remains found in Salt River, Clarendon on Monday haven't been confirmed to be hers, but her family's hope dwindles day by day, and even a little bit more today after her mother was swabbed for DNA evidence. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey says searches across St. Catherine and Clarendon led to a suspect being taken into custody and the discovery of the remains, but it's still too early
to state definitively that it is Miss Anglin's body, and thus we await the findings of the forensic team. Given the weight of the evidence collected thus far, the suspect in the matter has since given a statement to the police admitting his involvement.
The suspect operates a ride-sharing service the 29-year-old teacher used to get to work.
She was picked up by the suspect. I can also say that with the help of Jamaica High, we were able to identify a specific route which the motor car that she was in traveled. Based on the analysis that was done by CFCD, we believe that she was taken to that specific location and killed.
This Google Maps image shows the location where the body was found. Salt River borders St. Catherine and Clarendon. Now, Mr. Bailey says the suspect has a history of sexual offences, both in Jamaica and another Caribbean country.
I want to point out that this specific suspect was arrested and charged sometime about 2015 by the police for sexual offences. He was also convicted in Antigua for sexual offences and deported to Jamaica.
A vehicle of interest was identified, which led to the suspect.
With the use of technologies, we were able to identify a location in Salt River in Clarendon as the last identifiable location that Miss Anglin was in.
Mr. Bailey says the police are satisfied and convinced that the right person has been held. However, several processes must be followed before charges can be made. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.